आज हम खोल रहे हैं हमारा 6 महीने पुराना एयर फ्रायर जो हम कॉस्को से लाए थे बट खोल नहीं पाए। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इनसाइड। एंड मैंने अभी नोटिस किया है कि इसमें जो कॉस्को के मेंबर्स होते हैं उनके लिए एक्सक्लूसिव गिफ्ट होता है। दिस वन, आई डोंट नो इफ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग करेक्ट और नॉट, बट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। Okay, so let's open it. Okay. Okay, let's see. So we got this. It's a manual. Lids. This. Oh my god, look at the packing. So we got one container. This is a small container and it's a glass one. I really love the packaging. So this is a small container. Then it has one big container as well. This one. So it all depends on your need if you want to use big one or the small one. And there is something inside this box as well. ओह, डब्बे के अंदर डब्बा। So this is Costco exclusive gift. This is a member exclusive gift. This is an additional container. And that's cap. Okay, I really like the finish. Okay, so we got total 3 containers, small, medium and large. And this. This is the stand, I think so. And this is an additional rack for this one. And the caps, just to store. In case you want to store it in the fridge, you can remove the glass jar and put in the cap and keep it in the fridge. I am impressed.